Welcome to Science in a Minute.
Hi guys, welcome to Science in a Minute. So for today's video, I will tackle about the respiratory system. Let's go. But before I discuss, I have a question for you guys. What part of the respiratory system is also known as the voice box? It's A trachea, B bronchi, C larynx, or D pharynx. So you have 5 seconds to choose your answer. Now, if you have your answer, I will reveal it to you guys. The answer is letter C, larynx. The larynx is located in the neck, houses the vocal cord, and is responsible for producing sound, hence it is commonly known as the voice box. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the human body. Understanding how these parts work together gives us a deeper appreciation for our own anatomy. Stay curious and keep discovering the wonders within you.